Hi everyone, Deborah here from Live Your Full Life. I just wanted to come to you this morning quickly and discuss a little bit about the free webinar that I've been helping my friend Nick Ortner with. He has a fabulous webinar and it's called How to Use EFT Tapping to Create an Abundant Stress-Free Financial Future. I signed up for this course back in 2014 and my finances were a mess, my health was a mess, it had crashed, and my relationships were strained, and I just felt hopeless and helpless. And I found myself struggling without any coping skills and not understanding how to even help myself. And so when I signed up for this course, it has an amazing way of helping you pick apart your life and figuring out what you can do to help yourself. Emotional freedom techniques is a way to help you reprogram your mind and change false beliefs and old programs. So I hope that you will join us this Thursday for Thursday Inspirations, because we're going to be talking about this in more detail. The webinar that I participated in really helped me to realize they have what is called a tapping tree, and the branches are your emotions and the leaves are your symptoms, and the trunk is your beliefs, and the roots, I think the trunk is events, and the roots are the beliefs. So once you realize what all of those things are that are holding you back, you can use tapping meditation to help you release these false beliefs and these blocks that are holding you back. And believe me, you're probably thinking, no, my finances have nothing to do with how I feel and my emotions and my false beliefs around money. But yes, they do. It's all tied in to our value and how we value ourselves. If we do not value ourselves, we cannot attract that abundance back to us, even financially, much less whether it's a love relationship or our health or our happiness. So I hope that I have given you some reasons to join me on Thursday and to download Nick Ortner's free webinar. Again, his webinar is called How to Use EFT Tapping to Create Abundant, Stress-Free Financial Future. So stop blocking your financial success and sign up for this webinar today. And I will see you for Thursday Inspirations Facebook Live event tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. Mountain Time. Talk to you soon. Take care and God bless.